center, ESAS, identified a need for creation of base level tuitions for students of lower primary level who belong to underprivileged sections of society having no access to better education. Fourteen coaching centers were set up at different locations in 4 major districts: Baramulla, Budgam, Srinagar and Bandipora, reaching out to 1400 students with the help of approximately 60 teachers. Under this project, we happened to cover 37 downtrodden villages.
अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि एहसास इंटरनेशनल की तरफ से जो विंटर ट्यूटोरियल्स के लिए जो कोचिंग का इंतज़ाम किया गया था तकरीबन पूरी वैली में, और ख़ास तौर से इस सोनावारी जो एजुकेशनली बैकवर्ड एरिया है यहाँ का, तो लोगों के का रुझान भी अच्छा रहा। स्टूडेंट्स भी जोक दर जोक आए इन सेंटर्स में, इन्होंने दाखिला लिया, और तो बच्चे भी खुशी से आए और वॉलंटियर्स ने भी वॉलंटियरल ग्राउंड पे काम किया इनमें, तो बहुत ही अच्छा सिस्टमेटिक माहौल रहा। और हम एहसास इंटरनेशनल को दरख्वास्त करते हैं उनकी जो अथॉरिटीज़ है कि इन गरीब बच्चों के लिए इस पूरे साल के लिए इस कोचिंग का इंतज़ाम किया।
Functioning since December 2019, it was realized that we have progressed in making Winter Coaching Center program a success. In the beginning of February 2020, we held a visit to all the centers and could see a considerable change in the personalities of these kids, which has been a priority since the outset. Small kids communicating in English language, besides showing interest in activity-based learning, has added jewels to our purpose.
My qualification is class 8. I live in Tularzum. I like to read English literature.
Very good, very good, very good.
How many?
Yalnız kurutsa ak, su banutsa yapır. तो अच्छा तरह
ये जो हमने विंटर कोचिंग सेंटर का ये बनाया हुआ था प्लान, ये सक्सेसफुल बहुत हद तक जा रहा है. लाइक वी गॉट पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस फ्रॉम द टीचर्स एज वेल एज स्टूडेंट्स, और उनका ये हमसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि दिस शुड कंटिन्यू. नो डाउट्स पीपल आर वर्किंग टायरलेसली. बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के कि उनका वॉलंटियरिज्म इतना है कि वो दे आर गिविंग देयर बेस्ट, और बच्चे सीख रहे हैं. स्मॉल किड्स introducing themselves in English language. That means we are progressing.
In the middle of February, we also organized an exposure visit of some students to Sug Eco Village, where eco-friendly practices were demonstrated. In addition, activities of skill development like teamwork, self-help, quick response, playing games, etc. were held. Painting competition was also arranged at the centers to facilitate their interests in extracurricular activities.
We have been able to mentor and guide these kids who are enrolled in these centers for their educational upliftment and for their overall personality development. And these kids were handled by faculty members who volunteered in these centers, and a very versatile pedagogy training program was conducted for these faculty members to to enhance their skills, which can be tapped down to enhance the educational needs and upliftment of these kids who were studying in these centers. We have continuously monitored and their assessment records and the growth of these kids who are enrolled there, and we are thankful to say that there has been very encouraging reports in regard to these centers, and we hope that this initiative we shall be able to continue further.